Look at this. We are on gear 1. Can you believe that? No, can you believe that? This is a 500cc, 500cc, and gear 4 is going past 120 kilometers an hour in just a matter of few seconds. Our brand new VOGE 525 DS has just reached Malindi. Yeah, we are just a few kilometers to Malindi town. This is Kilifi County. And after having done 563 kilometers, the engine is breaking in slowly and consistently, and I like what I'm feeling. I like what I'm feeling. You can seriously feel improvement in performance. The motorcycle is starting to perform properly. And right now, right here, I want to show you how fast this bike is in terms of acceleration. Because I know this question is going to come. How powerful is the bike? Definitely you cannot exhaust the power right now because we are still in the braking period. But there is something I'm going to show you to prove that this bike is powerful. The VOGE 525 is some kind of a small beast. I want you to check here. I want you to concentrate on gears are going to show somewhere around here. This is kilometers per hour, and these are the RPMs. I want you to keep an eye on this. Let me show you what I mean. We are now on gear 1. As you can see, can you see? This is gear 1. And RPMs are showing somewhere around here. And this is the speed. Now we are on gear 2. Just look at what happens when you throttle up. Did you just see that? This bike has a lot of power to accelerate. A lot of power. And surprisingly, the RPMs are not rising so fast. They are not rising so fast. Low end torque is too much on this motorcycle. And I like what I'm feeling right now. I want to believe that after the braking period is over, this bike is going to be something else. Just have a look at this. We are on gear 1. Can you believe that? No, can you believe that? This is a 500cc, 500cc, and gear 4 is going past 120 kilometers an hour in just a matter of few seconds. 120 in just a matter of very, very few seconds. And the engine is not even struggling. We are not even close to where we can say the braking period is going to be compromised. The engine is so powerful that you don't even feel anything. This bike is powerful. Whoever is thinking of buying this bike, I can tell you, I'm not the dealer, but I can tell you, this bike is powerful. For a 500cc from China, this thing is totally different from what we expect. Totally different. I have been riding the whole day from Nairobi. We are now at 564 kilometers, and I was doing 90 maximum. But consistently, I'm feeling some improvement in power as we continue adding mileage. Now, have you seen what is going on? Almost 130 kilometers an hour in gear 4, just pulling one. Just pulling one time, all that speed. Now you can imagine if we pull all the way to red line, gear 1, gear 2, gear 3, gear 4, by the time you get to gear 6, this bike is going to be very, very close to 200 kilometers an hour. Close to 200 kilometers an hour. VOGE 525, I'm so impressed. I am so impressed. I'm so impressed. Think about it. Be the judge.